Okay, this is a 98 Lexus GS300. I'm going to be replacing the catalytic converter in here. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the air intake system here. So give me access to the sensors and to the nuts for the catalytic converter. Okay, now I'm just going to loosen the bolts for the exhaust manifold just to make sure everything comes off like it's supposed to. Okay, so I got the bolts loosened. Now I'm going to disconnect the 3 oxygen sensors. Let's see. That one, here's one here, 1, 2. Second one up here. And number 3. Okay, here's the third one. So disconnect those oxygen sensors, take the wires loose so that I can get out the catalytic converter. Okay, underneath the vehicle I got the car jacked up and supported with jack stands, and took off the right front wheel just to be able to access the exhaust a little better. But there's 3 okay, there's the third one over there, 3 bolts, nuts and bolts that have to come off. And then you have this here bracket that goes over the oil pan like this, that holds the exhaust in place. So this car is in Cleveland, in Ohio, so it's rusty because of salt rust. So the bolts broke off for me, so I can get some new bolts in here, which is good. But there should be a gasket in between the pieces that I'm gonna have to get off. So now I'm going to go up top and take off the those bolts up for and mount the manifold to the engine, and get ready to pull the catalytic converter out. Okay, this is the 2JZ GE with the exhaust removed, the catalytic converter. I wound up having to take off the air intake collector box. And there's the catalytic converter. So I'm going to take off the oxygen sensors. I have to replace one of them and put them onto the new one. And I'm ready to install that one. So here's the new catalytic converter in comparison to the old one. Everything seems to be lined up right. I know for sure what I put into the car. But it's the new catalytic converter. Okay, this is the catalytic converter installed. I had to hurry up and finish it up because it was getting dark and my batteries on the phone went out and I couldn't film everything. But it went right in there, a lot easier than taking it out. So I bolted it up to the cylinder head first. Then I went underneath and you can't really see it, but 3 bolts that connect to the second catalytic converter. Those were installed with 2 new gaskets, these circle gaskets, and then you put the air intake system back on. The whole air intake, the collector and everything. And it's colored like this because I had to break it in. I had to run for about 5 minutes. Then I revved the engine to about 2,000 RPMs. And did that for about 2 minutes and allowed it to cool. So hopefully this will get rid of the P0420 and P0430 codes. For this Lexus 98 Lexus GS300. Thanks for watching.